Sound sir, thank you for coming. Thank you, sir.
It has no symptoms, visible symptoms rather, but it has a very long implications because it has many things which the patients who are suffering from the hearing loss, and also these patients have been ignored by the policymakers. As for us, we will see that globally more than 1.5 million experience some degree of hearing loss. As you can see that just 0.8% of these people have basically the severe hearing loss, but if we go for the counts, it counts to the 430 million people who are having this problem. So what will be the impact? As you know, any patient who is having an impaired this hearing will not be having communication that will affect his or her language and speech, then definitely his or her education. And
Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon to all of you. Worthy Secretary, Health and Medical Education Department, Dr. Saeed Abid Rashid Shah, Chief Guest of today's function. Dr. Mir Mohammed Maqbool, our grand teacher and the guest of honor of today's function. Professor Dr. Ifat Hassan, Chief Patron of this conference, Principal Dean, Baba Medical College, Srinagar. Dr. Shaukat Ahmed, Organizing Secretary of this conference, ex-principals of the JMC, Dr. Kassir Saab, Dr. Rafiq Saab, Dr. Parvez Saab, ex-heads of the departments, Dr. Rauf Saab, Dr. Latif Saab, Dr. Rauf Saab, Professor Qazi Sajjad, HOD Anantnag, Principal Medical College Anantnag, Dr. Rukhsana Najib, and ex-head of Department of Anesthesia, JMC Srinagar. The distinguished ENT consultants of the UT of J&K, Professor Alamgir Chaudhary, Professor Alok Thakur, Professor Sandeep Bansal, Professor Mohnish, Professor Seema Sheikh, Dr. Ashima Saxena, Dr. Vinod, our own respected heads of departments of the Government Medical College Srinagar, students, postgraduates, ladies and gentlemen, I extend warm greetings and a warm welcome to all of you from the organizers of Kashmiri ENT Conclave 2024 for attending this conference. At the outset, let me thank all of you for attending this conference. We feel honored and humbled by your presence. I am extremely grateful to Dr. Saeed Abid Rashid for sparing time despite his strongest commitment of life back home. I am extremely thankful to Dr. Maqbool Saab for his presence here. It shows his strong commitment and affection for the department. Pertinent to mention here, he was the royal of the ENT and who has conducted international conference here way back in '61 when William House used to visit JMC Srinagar.
So my point to you was we must have a collaborative system of making sure that we deal with patient care and possibly like what is done in the best centers, we might replicate that in terms of an interdisciplinary approach or a team of doctors getting together and doing this probably in some of the best institutes in our country. One last point which must be discussed in CMEs like this is the literature of medicine and surgery and all other allied subjects keeps changing every day. Up until 3 years back, we used to give corticosteroids to every expecting mother in the anticipation of lung maturity and so on and so forth. But I had the fortune of reading a paper just recently from the American College of Obstetricians saying therein that there have been longitudinal studies about some kind of a cognitive lag in children who have been given it after 36 weeks. It was a bit of a shocker where we anticipated that it must be done any which way, and here we are. Things have changed. So therefore, we must probably update it. And I would request all the heads of the department, all the worthy heads of the department, because you are some of the best brains that we have in the country, I would request you to inculcate that sense of reading, sense of studying in your residents, in your registrars, in your junior faculty members, in everybody who comes in touch with you, so that you actually mentor this younger generation of people to study and work hard so as to not become knowledge proof at any point in time in life. These are the few things. I would not keep you from discussing more fundamental technical issues. So therefore,
my dear colleagues and friends, Assalamu alaikum to all. Actually, my era of lecturing is over by our last 50 years. And now I only occasionally listen to lectures. I don't deliver the ones. I am very happy that Department has maintained its wonderful tradition of arranging conferences and being the first one to arrange it in this medical college. Actually, in this medical college, the first academic conference was held by the ENT department in 1961. And at that time, actually, when I started organizing the conference, I was discouraged by the then head of department of physiology, Dr. Kahali, and then department head of department of anatomy, Dr. Das. They both said, please, Dr. Sahab, don't take risk of arranging this conference. I said, why? He said, we have got no experience, and it is a very great event, and you kindly think again whether you, I said, you don't worry, take it easy. And we had 500 delegates, mostly all over India, some from foreign, and we had invited Dr. William House as the chief guest, who was the leading otologist of USA. And at the end of the conference, it was declared.
Worthy Secretary to Government, Health and Medical Education, UT of J&K, Dr. Syed Abid Rashid Shah, Chief Guest of today's inaugural function, Professor Mir Mohammad Maqbool, SHOD, Department of ENT, GMC Srinagar and Guest of Honor, Organizing Chairman and Head of Department of ENT, Professor Manzoor Ahmed Lattu, Professor Shaukat Ahmed Shaukat, Organizing Secretary of this conference, Principal GMC Anantnag, Professor Rukhsana Najib, Ex-Principal Deans GMC Srinagar, Professor Rafiq Ahmed Pampuri, Professor Kaisar Ahmed, Professor Parvez Shah, Heads of various departments of GMC Srinagar, guest faculty within and outside the country, delegates, ladies and gentlemen, a very good afternoon to everyone. At the onset, I would like to thank our worthy chief guest for taking time out of his busy schedule to grace the inaugural function of Kashmir ENT Conclave, which is a 2-day live surgical workshop cum conference. So your commitment towards encouraging these educational initiatives are a source of encouragement for each one of us. Our guest of honor, Professor Maqbool Sahab, is a living legend in the field of ENT and head and neck surgery, GMC Srinagar. Sir, I was fortunate enough to have been your undergraduate student around 36 to 37 years back, and your legacy in the department, even as on day today, is still vibrant. We are blessed to have renowned faculty in the field of ENT and head and neck surgery with us today as part of the Kashmir ENT Conclave. I welcome on behalf of GMC Srinagar, I welcome our guest faculty, Dr. from outside, Dr. Lok Thakkar, Professor and Head, ENT and Head and Neck Surgery, AIIMS New Delhi, Dr. Vinod Felix from KIMS Trivandrum, Dr. Manish Grover from SMS Medical College, Jaipur, Dr. Ashima Saxena, Professor Sandeep Bansal from PGI Chandigarh, Professor Chaudhary, and various other faculty. I may have missed out on some names, but I welcome all the guest faculty who have come here today to be part of this conclave.